Okay, this is the first time that I've ever gotten both of my motorcycles together. Usually one's locked up and I'm riding the other one, and today I went out on a ride on the Triumph Speedmaster, and I thought to myself, what the heck? I've never ridden both bikes in the same day, so I'm going to do that today. So I got out the XT250, and they're parked together here like sister and brother for the first time ever. And I love it. There's a policeman coming through. He's thinking, wow, there's a Yamaha XT250. I've always wanted to have one of those. There's nothing like owning two different motorcycles. I knew a guy once who had 5 Harley Abelson in his garage, and I don't think he rode any of them because they were Harley Abelson. Man, I love the Speedmaster, and I really love this XT250. They're both just badass motorcycles. Let me see if I can zoom up here between the two of them and get a good camera shot. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Let me try that again. Let me get low and see if I can do that again. Walking through both of them. Oh man, I love owning an XT250 and a Speedmaster together. They're fabulous bikes, both of them. So much fun. I love getting on this XT250. I got another video that describes it as a bicycle with a motor on it. It's just a toy. Man, I love this motorcycle. I can't get enough of it. I wish I could haul it in my bedroom at night and sleep with it. Badass bikes.